Welcome to the Flutter Location Package tutorial. The Flutter Location Package is a powerful tool that allows developers to integrate location-based services into their Flutter applications. With the Location Package, you can easily access the device's location, including latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, and more, providing a seamless experience for location-aware apps. One of the key features of the Location Package is its support for both iOS and Android platforms, making it a versatile choice for cross-platform development. Now, let's dive into some demonstrations to see the Flutter Location Package in action. First, we'll go through the steps required to integrate the Flutter Location Package into your Flutter project. Step 1. Add the Location Package to your project's dependencies by editing the pubspec.yml file. This step involves specifying the Location Package as a dependency in your project's pubspec.yml file. By doing so, you are indicating that your project will use functionalities provided by the Location Package. Step 2. Add necessary permissions for Android and iOS. For Android, you'll need to include permissions in your Android manifest.xml file to access location services, including foreground service and background location access. On iOS, you must provide descriptions in your info.plist file explaining why your app needs location access. Step 3. Import the location package in your Dart file. After adding the location package to your project's dependencies, you need to import it into your Dart file where you'll be using location-related functionalities. This import statement allows you to access classes and methods provided by the location package. Step 4. Implement location service and permission checks, and retrieve the current location data. In this step, you'll write code to check if location services are enabled and if your app has permission to access the device's location. If not enabled or granted, you'll request the necessary permissions. Finally, you'll use the location package to retrieve the current location data, including latitude, longitude, accuracy, altitude, speed, heading, and timestamp. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Flutter Location Package to access and utilize location-based functionalities in your Flutter application. Now, let's see how you can use the Flutter Location Package in a practical way. Imagine you have an app with an SOS button that helps you in emergencies. When you tap this SOS button, the app checks your device's location. It's like your app asking, "Where are you right now?" This data then can be sent to your emergency contacts via SMS. If the app can find your location, it opens a link to Google Maps showing exactly where you are. You can then click on the link to open Google Maps and see your location visually. Meanwhile, in the background, the app also prints all the cool data about your location, like how accurate it is, your altitude, speed, and more. It's all technical details that it gathers from the location object. That's how this SOS button in your app works using the Flutter Location Package. It's a handy feature that can be a lifesaver in critical situations. That concludes our overview of the Flutter Location Package. With its comprehensive features and cross-platform support, integrating location-based functionalities into your Flutter apps has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy coding with Flutter.